Good afternoon, everyone. This is Crystal with Crystal's Creations Wyckoff. How are you guys all doing? Good, I hope. So today we are going to do something from the Hero Arts family. And also to let you guys know, Ranger is having a 25% off of their alcohol inks sale. And there was a long piece of hair hanging off my phone from the video. Great. Make sure you guys are still good there. We're good. We're at the right angle. So anyways, I just thought I'd let you guys know that, and I will put the affiliate links down below in my description box. But anywho, I am playing with the Bold Birthday set, and I'm going to be doing some water spritzing on the stencils to show you how you can create a really cool stencil design with water. So anyways, that's what we're going to be doing. So I will get that started. So we're going to use some different colors. Now, earlier I had done a video and I did this one on the video, and I used Prom Queen, Clear Skies, and Slippery When Wet, which created a purple and a green. And I used the stencil, of course. And then I did a overzealous green, and I did this glitter stencil paste on top of it. So this is my daughter's kit that she got at Joann's. So that's what I'm borrowing. And then here's another one that is Prom Queen, and then the Slippery When Wet, which blended into the pink, makes an orange color, and then we got the blue and the green. So that is that. So now we're going to get started with, and I decided to go with Crown Me. So we have Crown Me, and then we're going to go in with Overzealous, or no, we're going to go in with Shooting Star and then Overzealous. So that's what we're going to do. Because purple and yellow complement each other, and green is a good split complementary color. And I'm going to use these just to see how good they blend instead of my regular blending brushes. So going in with good old Crown Me. Squeak, squeak. No. But anyways, hope you guys are going to have a good weekend. Hopefully some of you guys are staying nice and warm. Like, we're doing our best to stay warm. It was nice and warm the other day. It was like almost 80 degrees, or just over 80. And now we're supposed to get 2 to 5 inches of snow by tomorrow. So yes, I said the 4-letter S word, snow. So it's supposed to snow. Okay, so there's Crown Me. And now we're going to go in with Shooting Star. I'm going to blend this up really good. Then we had to cover our tulips just to make sure they stay okay and safe and sound. I'm not sure what color this is going to make, so this will be interesting. Might make a brown. And that's okay. I like brown anyway, so no big deal. And a lot of us like our coffee, right? We like chocolate cake, right? So we like all things chocolate and coffee. So a little brown on our card isn't going to hurt. So I'm just trying to see if these blend better for me. Then see how good that purple and yellow go good together. They complement each other really good. All right, so now we're gonna go to Overzealous, which is a light green, almost like a limeish green, yellowish green, kind of greenish yellow, whatever color you want to call it. I think it just makes it more of a green. Doesn't really make another color, really. So, how many of you all have flowers coming up? You got lots of flowers coming up like Guido? We got lots of flowers coming up. We got like larkspurs, like overload of larkspurs coming up this year. Then of course hollyhocks and lots of echinacеas and everything else. And our perennials on the north side of the house that are on along our neighbor's driveway. 4 of those came back this year, except for the one on the very end, our white, I can't remember the name of the flower, but that one, I have a purple one of it, and the white one did not make a comeback. She just up and croaked. I think it could be that there was dogs walking by with their owners, and the dogs were, you know, you get the gist of it. So anyways, we have this already inked up, ink blended. So we're going to take this and we're going to put this on top of here. Okay. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to take that down. We're going to hold that in place. We're going to make sure you have a paper towel handy because you're going to need it. We're going to shake our water. Try not to get water in my coffee. Hopefully I didn't put too much. No, you can put too much, so you don't want to spray too much on here. But I learned this from Simon Hurley, so if you want a better instructor, go over to Simon Hurley's videos. He did one just last week, I believe. So he's better at teaching this kind of stuff. So but that is how you do it, in case some of you wanted to know how you do it. You can do it with bleach too. But I cannot use bleach because I'm allergic to bleach. So I have to stay away from bleach. And we're gonna lift that up and we're gonna let that dry. Just let it saturate really good. Probably should do some dabbing. And we'll just let that dry. Okay. Now, wipe this off, get all the ink off. We don't want ink on it. Okay. All right. Oops, I still see some ink on there. I'm trying to make sure there's no ink on here. All else fails, grab your washcloth and wipe it off. I think that looks better. I think it just could be stained. It's got glitter stuff on it. It's okay. All right, let's dry this off. So now we're going to take a plain white one, okay? Just plain white. And we're going to put this on top of it. And you're like, say what? And then we're going to put this on top. And then we're going to spritz. And I have another paper towel ready to go. Another one in the trash. It's no good now. Okay, that looks good. And dab. Kind of just make sure you mop up that excess water so we don't have a big mess all over. I think I see a piece of hair. Never ending, I tell you. Never ending. Oh, I see a little bit of yellow that I missed. I don't know how I missed that. So, anyways, that is how you do that. So you let it dry. So we're gonna let that dry. And then this one is one that I did with water by itself on the cardstock with the stencil, and then I ink blended on top of it, and that is what I got. Let's get this mopped up. All right, I like to use my magnetic board, my gloss board studio, when I am doing my stenciling stuff, because it makes it sit in place. All right, so we'll set that aside. And then hopefully this guy will be dry. Shall we wave it? Shall I sing a song? No, I'm not gonna sing. But anyways, let's see if I have a couple other cards that I made that I can show you guys. I'm trying to figure out where I put them. Where I put them? Where did I just had them. To be honest, I don't know where I put them. Oh wait, I stuck them over here, I think. I think I have them right here. Let me see. Let me see. Let me see if they're in this pile of goodies. They could be. They are, actually. So here is one I just did yesterday using that stencil. That beautiful stencil stuff. Isn't that pretty? And these have dies that you can cut them out with. Not these, though. I had to fussy cut those out. But that's what that one is. And then I did this one. I still have to put it on a card base. But I did the candles. And then I embossed this, the birthday wish, and then the 3 candles. And I just ink blended the stencil on there. So that's that. So, all right, shall we see how well this works? All right, let's see here. Let's start with overzealous this time. I'm gonna go backwards because we can. And let's see how this looks. See if we get some squiggly confetti lines popping through. All right, so there's some there. And now we're going to go in with purple, the Crown Me. Looks like another shade of brown. Not too shabby, I tell you. And now we're gonna go in with Shooting Star, last but not least. It went all the way down. We're doing pretty good. So there's that. So there we have the water spritzed on the cardstock and then ink blended. And there we have ink blended first and then water spritzed. And then we have these as well. So we have that one. We have that one and that one. And then we have this where we ink blended and used the stencil butter from Hero Arts. So that is it, my friends. So until then, I will talk to you later. Again, I'll put the Hero Arts and the... Oh, Spellbinders is having another really good sale. They're having dollar deals. Clear out the Wearhouse sale. Right now, you can get stuff for $1. I saw some embossing folders and dies that you can get for $1. Yes, I said $1. And there's some stuff you can get for $3 too, and $5 and $10. And you can get a whole Spellbinders card kit for $15. Yes, you heard it. A whole card kit for $15. So anyways, I thought I'd share that info with you. I will put all that down below in the description box down below. And I will talk to y'all later. Love you all. See you next time. Bye.